G'day cocktail lovers. Special night in the bar, special guests, old school YouTube pals, Alex, Amorise, Alex. And we, they've actually been in a video on my original YouTube channel where I may or may not have forced them to drink Vegemite vodka.
It wasn't the worst I've ever had.
No, you were stoic. Less than stoic.
It's definitely a traumatic thing in my past.
Yeah. Therapy, years later. We literally haven't caught up since before COVID. And I thought, it's about time we did. And Amoris is going to go to the US of A.
Yeah.
And you did tell me two things. You said, one, you love the tequila.
I do.
Two, you wanted to be able to order a drink confidently.
Yes.
So what we're going to do, a little bit of experimentation with yon tequilas. Margarita is the obvious tequila drink, which is a fine tequila drink. Now we're going to make 3 different margaritas with 3 different of our tequilas. We've got your standard white, silver, blanco tequila, unaged tequila. That's white tequila is unaged tequila.
Why is it unaged?
It's just like they just take it off a still, put it in a bottle and go...
It's the cheap shit.
Smack it in the bum and send it out the door.
Yeah.
So it's like mixed with like the Fountain of Youth?
Kind of, yeah, something like that.
Sure.
I'm so froze over here.
Look, the more drunk you get, the more you're going to believe that statement.
I know.
And the more it's going to be real to you.
Yeah. And this is Reposado tequila. This has been... Reposado, I think, means rested. It's been aged in a barrel for up to a year, from a month, couple of months up to a year, if I don't want to say. And this is añejo tequila. This is aged tequila. It's been left in a barrel for 1 to 3 years. So theoretically, this is like smoother and mellower and it's got more of the character of a barrel. Okay. White tequila, your standard blanco tequila, a bit rough and ready. Some people prefer that because the flavours are more out there. Some people prefer the others. But I thought it would be fun. We'll do it. We'll each taste and decide our individual favourites. But when you know your favourite, you can confidently say, make a margarita. And you might say with the blanco, you might say with the reposado, you might say with añejo. You'll get, I'll tip you up now, you'll get a real funny look if you ask for it with añejo. But if it's the one you end up liking, definitely do it. Because you order that and the bartender will go, ooh.
So should we get a bucket just in case she wants to projectile launch the content of her mouth again?
That might be a good idea.
You can use that mixing glass.
Okay.
That can be a spittoon.
Alright, yeah, okay.
That can be a spittoon. That's
Put
a
that
muddler.
down.
We're not muddling tonight, but you do
I
that
can
with
muddle my
herbs,
vomit.
fruit, muddle vomit. Do you honestly, another friend of mine who was here said something very untoward about this, and I don't want to...
I can imagine.
Yeah, I know.
Is it something to do with...
Stop.
Anything's a sex toy if you're brave enough. But
Okay,
yeah.
well, he said it.
I said it, yeah. Okay, so tequila and orange liqueur. This is a really yummy orange liqueur.
Oh, I love that.
And lime juice, and for the sweetener, it's agave syrup. This is like for cooking.
I definitely like
But-
the sweet stuff.
Yeah. So standard margarita, really simple, like 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of the orange liqueur, half an ounce of the agave syrup. Because we're having 3, I'm going to make them half size, and they're going to be little shot glasses. We're just going to sample. We're not drinking 3 whole margaritas each.
I'm so excited, I'm vibrating. Oh wait, it might be my phone.
So long as it wasn't the muddler, that's all I'm saying.
That's
Okay. Oh yeah. You thought she was going to be the one who misbehaved the most.
Look, this is your own house, your own studio. You do you.
Alright, so we chuck a bit of ice in. And
Ice, baby.
I'll do this really quickly. And magic of editing, it'll all be ready in a bit.
Ooh.
And then there's us that just have to wait through it all.
Yeah, I mean...
You're welcome. We're doing the hard yards for you.
Yeah, we can make some comedy along the way.
Yeah, honestly, maybe the whole thing will be in here because we'll just be having fun the whole time.
Yeah, we just talk about sex jokes while you were... Well, this whole part is just edited out.
I honestly think the muddle is the most suggestive thing I have in here, but, Amorise is pretty inventive. You might be able to come up with something else to cause trouble with.
That means many things.
Yeah, I know, right?
The kids at home.
Oh, dear.
Oh, you're doing it there tonight. I had sex in a park once, no biggie.
Woman, just...
Not tonight. I just want to stress that.
Yeah, no, not tonight.
We did actually hang out in a park tonight.
Yeah, we did, but not the sex.
No sex. I
Unfortunately.
did fall over.
Yeah, he fell over.
There was a hidden trampoline, and
Yeah.
that probably makes no sense. But trust me,
Like probably the modern age kids know that when they're out at a park, they have to look out for those little hidden like trampolines. They have to be on the lookout. It's like a
it was
scavenger
dark,
hunt.
and
Yeah.
when you're walking and the ground suddenly disappears, I went whoopsie, fell down. Okay, it might have been a girlish shriek. it might have been.
Like I thought I heard a girl.
Look, I was watching this moron climbing up some
Oh my
kid's
god,
playground.
we should have had video of that,
We
quite
should have.
honestly, because it's pretty wild.
Like, I was climbing up. I was like Tarzan up there. I was trying to get to the slide, and then they had that thing where you were trying it was like levels where you had to go on one and then go on the other, and it was all like in this cramped little place for like a 3-year-old. So I was trying to like slink my way like a slinky.
Sure.
I did actually record you coming down the slide. I might intersperse that of the shrieks as you went down the slide.
Yeah, it's me going.
Are you coming down the slide or are you climbing down?
No, I'm not touching your shoes. You can touch them.
I was just in like a pit of darkness.
This, you were asking what this is.
Yes.
Hawthorn strainer. Little spring there. What's that? Just stops
it's
the...
from Hawthorn.
Yeah, it's for people in Melbourne. There's a suburb called Hawthorn, and Shizer. Can't take me anywhere. I just tipped that all over the floor.
Do you want a rag?
What the hell is going on with this anyway?
Is this what I'm going to expect when I'm in New York to get it spilled all over my feet?
Yeah, probably.
You're going to be in
Oh,
New York.
damn.
You're going to have other stuff spilled all over your feet.
Okay, so this is with the Blanco tequila. This is the most common margarita you'll get if you order one at a bar.
Are we just going to like chug it or just
Sip
gonna
it, chug it.
Enjoy it.
See, that's a nice drink. Margarita is a nice drink.
I like that.
Mm.
And then yeah.
I'm tasting like the barest hint of honey in there.
Yeah, that's the agave syrup.
Mm.
Because
Agave.
tequila is an agave-based spirit. It's a good match to use when you're putting a sugar syrup in to actually use an agave syrup. This is a reposado tequila.
Oh.
This would be the second most likely one you'd get in a bar.
Ooh, that's got a kick.
I tend to prefer the flavour of the reposado and the añejo to the blanco, but it's a personal taste thing.
The first one you had is, in comparison to this one, it's kind of light and bland. Like I'd say that the honey thing does add a lot more flavour to it but this one is very. It's not bad, but it kind of tastes a bit like watered down cordial.
Okay.
Like I drink whiskey
Explain
straight.
here.
Yeah. Oh well. We can do some of that later. In fact, that was the thing I was going to do with you, but we'll do that later. Okay. Final one.
I'm a bit sick.
This is with the añejo tequila.
Añejo.
Aged. Cheers.
That's got nice flavour.
Yeah. Actually, I've made like an old fashioned with añejo tequila. I really like it. But this. Oh, where are you going? Which one was grabbing you out of these?
I want to be basic and go for that one.
Yeah, but that's fine. That's the one you'll get most commonly.
Right.
This one's got a very light taste to it, but the flavour is actually a lot more enhanced.
What do you mean light?
It's like more caramel. This one to me.
I can't really. Hang on.
Not literally caramel, but I'm trying. It's a different sort of sugar than the other one. I felt like.
I can kind of see where you're getting the caramel from, but I'm. Yeah.
All right. Well, see. So now you know. This is your favourite tequila.
What's it called again?
This is just standard Blanco tequila. Look, actually, where's your 3?
Alex, do you want the rest of this?
Jeez.
Look,
Bloody lightweight.
final bit.
I'm not lightweight. I just like that one more.
Yeah. Look. Not whole shots. Do a straight sip of each and see which one you think's better as a straight sip.
No.
Just a little sip of each. Yeah, this is your silver Blanco.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a bit different than a shot, isn't it? Sorry, that's
It burns.
you're having. He's still here. Have a reposado.
Oh, wait, you actually... That's all for her, fine.
No. It was, well, I'll
This
do
is me, man.
for
Bugger
you as
off.
well.
Bugger off!
Try a little nip of those.
He loves a good nip.
Ah, there's going to be some more innuendo. Yeah.
Very light, that one.
Yeah, it is. Very lightly flavoured.
I'm getting a lot of vanilla in that one.
Yeah, that's be from the barrel, basically.
Are you okay there?
Yeah,
You're distracting me.
Sorry, I was wondering what was...
what? That's your point. What?
ASMR.
Definitely very strong, that one.
Yeah, much more. For me, it's like deeper flavours come through with Yanihu. Well, there you go. There's our little, just an impromptu tequila exploration. Woo! And now you know there are 3 different sorts and you like Blanco.
Yeah.
And that's fine. That's what most bars are going to serve you most of the time. And these ones, when they're barrel aged, they pick up other flavours. So,
Like, I feel like if I had to choose, like, if I didn't have that, I would definitely go for that one.
yeah. I actually probably use this one in cocktails most often. It's got a bit more flavour than that. And
Sorry.
and I do like an old-fashioned made with an añejo, actually. But anyway, so there you go. There's our little tequila exploration, and I hope you have fun. We're probably just going to go off camera and have pouring the little
Would
bits
you-
left in each shot glass.
You bloody algo.
We're going to do the thing. We're going to go
Why'd
off.
you give it to me
I want
for?
to see how you react.
Oh. Behold, my superior drinking technique.
And you can see, like, some in his beard.
You're making him self-conscious now. Anyway.
Look, I was saving it for later.
That's us done for now. Look, I have no idea how our night's going to go. There might end up being another video on or not, depending how messy we get. Who knows? But I hope you enjoyed that little exploration and see you all later. Bye!
Laters!
I need to pee.